Today, on 12th May, we are celebrating the bicentenary birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was like an angel, an epitome of love and affection. Her significant role in serving wounded soldiers in Crimean War was prominent and exemplary. This day is also observed as International Nurses Day around the world since 1965, designated by International Council of Nurses. Florence Nightingale, the Lady with the Lamp, founder of modern nursing, was born to a wealthy and rich British family in Italy, but she chose serving mankind, dealing with struggles and difficulties throughout her life over luxury and comfort. Today, we are going to recall her precious sayings, which have become more relevant in this critical time when we all are fighting with this pandemic COVID-19.
Let us never consider ourselves finished nurses. We must be learning all our lives. So, work hard and keep learning. Work hard and keep learning.
To be in charge is certainly not only to carry out the proper measures yourself, but to see that everyone else does so too. Be united.
I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. So, be disciplined and be disciplined.
The very first requirement in a hospital is that it should do the sick no harm. So, have empathy, have empathy.
To understand God's thought, we must study statistics, for these are the measure of His purpose. So, have a purposeful life, have a purposeful life.
For the sick, it is important to have the best. So, love and care people. Love and care people.
Nursing is an art, and if it is to be made an art, it requires an exclusive devotion, as hard as preparation, as any painter's or sculptor's work. So, be devoted, be devoted.
How very little can be done under the spirit of fear. So, be fearless, be fearless.
Nursing takes a whole life to learn. We must make progress in it every year. So, strive towards perfection. Strive towards perfection.
Live life when you have it. Life is a splendid gift. There is nothing small about it. So, live life to the fullest. Live life to the fullest.
I think one feelings waste themselves in words. They ought all to be distilled into actions, which bring results. So, stay positive, stay positive.
Thank you, everyone. It was a small tribute to the great lady Florence Nightingale. May her values and teachings help us to move forward and cope with hard times. Stay well.